Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on Dropbox. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this page we search about Dropbox and we click. Then here we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Then here we click on clear cache. When you click on clear cache, then you will turn off your phone and then you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So if it's not working with you, then we go to Play Store to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.